Yeah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. The name still remains the same. I'm Kenneth Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Randall Technology Company is an online business booster. Yeah, so if you are a small company and you want to boost your sales online, you can hit us up on all the social media platforms. The name is Randall Technology Company. Yeah. Yeah. So before we start today's episode, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to your friends. And if you don't understand anything, just comment and I'll reply your comment. Yeah. So on today's episode, I want to show you how to get or how to earn a free Amazon gift cards. How to earn a free Amazon gift cards. So we have a website that can help you earn a free Amazon gift card. All you need is to do one or two things and you can get a free Amazon gift card. So no time to waste. I want us to jump on my phone screen and let me show you how to earn this Amazon free gift cards. Yeah, it's a free gift card. Like, you get it for free. All you need is just follow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps and you can get this Amazon gift card without paying anything. Yeah, so join me on my phone screen and let me show you how to get this free Amazon gift card. The names remain the same. I'm Kenneth Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Join me and let me show you how to get this free Amazon gift cards. Let's go. Welcome back to my phone screen here. So I want to show you how to get a free Amazon gift card. So first of all, let's visit Swagbucks. Then we create account on Swagbucks. So enter your Gmail. So let me enter my Gmail. Password. So you saw it here. So this is how you have to do it. The Gmail, you have to enter the Gmail, start with the small letters, and make sure that your password always match. Yeah. So we are now on the Swagbucks. So then we agree to all. Then we start earning. Yeah. So your gift card is click away. So confirm. If you confirm your email, you will get 5 SB. So the 5 SB is the point. So if you get 100 SB, that means you have $1. So if you have 200 SB, that means you have $20. So I'll confirm later. And if you take the survey, then you earn more money. If you refer a friend, then you also earn more money. But right now, I want to show you how we can use this app to earn free Amazon gift cards. How you can use this site to earn free Amazon gift card. So let's see. So let me click on. So let's go here. Yeah. So right now, here's my profile. Yeah. So take this survey. If I take this survey, I'll get 5 SB. And if I refer a friend, I'll get 10% for life, like 10% of like his or her earnings every day. So if I refer a friend and a friend always keep on answering questions, so what he or she will earn, I'll earn 10% of it. So this one too, you want to answer a survey and earn up to 200 SB. So 200 SB, that's equivalent to $2. Yeah. So I want to show you how I can use this app to earn free Amazon gift card. So here is it. So let me go here. So redeem your SB. So let's say you have played, like, or you have answering a lot of questions here, and you have almost 500 SB. So this is how you can use this points without any capital. You can use this points to earn a free Amazon gift card. So let's say here the price is 500 SB. So you can purchase the Amazon free card. That's €5 gift certificate. It's a €5 certificate, and this one is €10 gift certificate. You see it? Yeah. So you can use your card, and this one is Amazon card. That one is $5 gift card. That one too, if you have 500 SB, you can use it to buy or to purchase this Amazon gift card. So it's simple, just answering questions over here, and when your points reach the amount of card you want, then you use the point to purchase the card. Simple. Yeah. So play or answering the questions and use the points to purchase your Amazon gift card. Simple. Yeah. So this all for today. Thank you for sticking to me, or thank you for joining me. Always don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm Kenneth Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Catch you same time next week. I'm out.